Okay, to assemble your Relaxback 140F frame, first of all put the pieces out and make sure you have everything. You should have 2 legs, 2 top supports, 2 feet, 2 hexagon shaft with 1 axle drive, 1 crossbar, an L bracket, the foot adjusters, tools, mounting hardware, the drive unit, the power supply, the holder, the switch and the cable for the switch and the power cord for the whole lot. Once you've done that, you can start assembling. First of all, put the 2 set screws into the tapped holes of the crossbar, but don't do them up tightly. We'll do that later. You can do them by hand, or you can use the little Allen key just to give them a couple of turns so they don't fall out. Both legs on the floor parallel to each other, and then put in the set screws. There are 2 on each side, you can see them here, and then use the Allen key again to tighten them up nicely. I'll put this one in here now so you can see how it's done. There we go. And then just tighten up a little bit with the Allen key. Over the screw guides, as I've done on this side, and then the same on this side, like so. You can see the guide screws through the holes there on both sides. Then, using the pipe key, pick up one of the flange screws and put it through the hole and get it on to the set screw and tighten it. Don't tighten it all the way at this moment. We'll tighten things solidly a little bit later. Do that on all 4 on both sides. So that's 2 on each side, making 4 in total. Now put the foot adjusters on the feet. It's dead easy, you just screw them into the hole like this. Turn the legs upside down, put the feet on top and secure them in place with 4 bolts and 4 washers. So first of all, just tighten them up by hand and then use the pipe key to tighten them up properly. Then turn the whole arrangement the right way up. Tighten the set screws here with the Allen key. There are 2 on each side, so 4 in total. Do those up nice and tightly. Do the 4 flange nuts up nice and tightly using the key here. You can see there they are in there. So tighten the 2 on each side, so 4 in total. Slide the hexagon shafts through like this. So actually you've got about 15-20 centimetres on the inside of the frame. Slide the driver unit over the hexagon bar and put that on the side of the frame that you're going to want the switch. Drive over the hexagon bars. Let's try to do this with one hand so I can show you, a bit tricky. There you go, and it goes. And then move the hexagon bars so they're flush with the outside of the legs. Support in place and tighten with the 4 screws using the Allen key here. That's what will support the desktop. Long bolt with a washer through this hole in the drive unit. Then we have a spacer. Then over all that, put the nut, this L bracket, and keep that in place with another nut. All that in place with a bolt from the top piece here onto the L bracket. And do that up nice and tightly so it's all secure. Frame out to the required width and do up the grub screws on the bottom, the set screws on the bottom, and also the pinching bolts here to keep everything in place. The power pack into here and the up down switch into here power up, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, this is without the top on, but you can see everything is moving up and down nicely.